Hey everyone! Is your 4WD system giving you trouble? Maybe it's stuck in one mode, or you're getting a warning light on your dashboard? You scan your car, and P0839 Four Wheel Drive switch circuit high input pops up. This issue can cause your vehicle to fail to switch between 2WD and 4WD, affect traction, and even damage your drivetrain if ignored. But don't worry, in this video, we'll break down the meaning of P0839. Its symptoms, causes, and most importantly, the exact location of the sensors so you can fix it yourself. Let's get started. What is P0839? The P0839 trouble code appears when the powertrain control module detects a high voltage signal from the four-wheel drive switch circuit. This switch tells the TCCM when you are shifting between different drive modes, but if it malfunctions, the TCCM may not receive the correct signals, causing engagement issues. Common symptoms of P0839 4WD system won't engage or disengage properly, 4WD or check engine light turns on, no response from the 4WD selector switch, unusual noises from the transfer case, vehicle stuck in 2WD or 4WD mode. If you're facing any of these problems, let's locate the key components causing the issue. To diagnose and fix P0839, check these critical components. 4WD mode selector switch. Location, on the dashboard or center console, depending on your vehicle model. Function, send signals to the TCCM when switching between 2WD, 4WD, or 8UD. Transfer case shift motor, location attached to the transfer case underneath the vehicle. Function, moves the internal gears of the transfer case to switch drive modes. Powertrain control module. Location, usually in the engine bay, near the firewall. Function, receives signals from the 4WD switch and commands the shift motor. Wiring harness and connectors. Location, between the 4WD switch, TCCM and transfer case motor. Function, transmits electrical signals to ensure smooth 4WD operation. Transfer case speed sensors. Location, mounted on the transfer case to monitor its rotation speed. Function, helps regulate 4WD engagement based on road and wheel speed. Common causes of P0839, faulty 4WD mode selector switch. The switch may be stuck or sending incorrect voltage signals. Short circuit in wiring. Damaged or corroded wires can cause incorrect voltage readings. Defective transfer case shift motor. If the motor fails, the system won't switch between 2WD and 4WD. Malfunctioning TCCM. The module may not be processing the switch signals correctly. Blown fuses or bad relays. Electrical failures can prevent 4WD engagement. How to fix P0839. Step 1. Check the 4WD mode selector switch. Press the switch and see if it properly changes modes. If not, replace it. Step 2. Inspect the transfer case shift motor. Listen for engagement noises when switching between modes. If silent, test the motor. Step 3. Examine the wiring and connectors. Look for corrosion or broken wires and repair or replace as needed. Step 4. Scan for other TCCM codes. The TCCM may store related error codes which can help pinpoint the issue. Step 5. Check the transfer case speed sensors. Ensure they are sending proper signals to the TCCM. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive. After repairs, reset the code and test the vehicle to see if the issue is resolved. The P0839 code can disrupt your 4WD system, but by inspecting the switch, wiring, shift motor, and TCCM, you can fix it and restore proper function. Watch these related videos next. P0544, exhaust gas temperature sensor circuit high, P0545, exhaust gas temperature sensor circuit low. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.